This is question 13 of Natural Sciences Admissions Assessment Past Paper 2017. So in this question we have a clock with two hands, the hour and the minute hand. It's a 12-hour analog clock and the hands are moving continuously. And we're given the angle between the hands when the clock is at 4 o'clock. And we want to find out what the angle between the hands is at 4:40. So this is what our clock's going to look like, something like this. We have several sections. We have 12 sections altogether, one for each hour, and a total of 360 degrees because it's a circle. So each segment must be 360 divided by 12, so 30 degrees. So we have 30-degree angles inside each of these. And what we're going to do is we're going to consider separately what happens to the minute hand and the hour hand, and the rate at which they turn through degrees. So how many degrees do they turn through each minute? So starting with the hour hand, well, if we have the hour hand pointing to 4, then between 4 and 5 it has 30 degrees to go through and 60 minutes in which to go through those 30 degrees. And so we're going through 0.5 degrees each minute to do this. And secondly, for the minute hand is going 30 degrees in 5 minutes because there are 5-minute intervals between when it's at 3 and when it's at 4, etc. So it's going 30 degrees in 5 minutes, so it's going 6 degrees per minute. Alright, so we know that at 4 o'clock the angle is 120 degrees because the minute hand is pointing straight up and the hour hand is going to be at the 4. So this is 120 degrees because it's just 4 lots of 30. And so now we need to consider what happens 40 minutes later. Well, the hour hand has gone through 0.5 degrees each minute, and it's done that for 40 minutes. So we do 40 times 0.5, so it's gone through 20 degrees. Similarly, the minute hand goes through 6 degrees a minute, and it's done this for 40 minutes, so it goes through 240 degrees. And so if we draw that onto our diagram, the hour hand goes from 20 degrees to here, and the minute hand has come all the way round to here, where we've just done 120, 240 to give it to here. And so the nice thing about the way we've drawn our diagram is that we know each of these sectors here is 30 degrees, so we can just count them up and then count up the extra bit to work out what the angle is between these two hands. So each one is 30, so we have 30, 30, 30, and then we've got 10 degrees here because it's come 20 degrees away from the line. And so we do 30 plus 30 plus 30 plus 10, and we get 100 degrees, which gives us an answer of B.